Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is a mobile photography beast, but to really push those pro-level cinematic shots, you need more than just a bare phone. Today we're unboxing the TELESIN Master Grip. This isn't just a handle, it's a modular ecosystem designed to turn your S26 Ultra into a full-blown production rig. Let's see what's inside. Right up top, we have the S26 Ultra Phone Case. It's got a clean, tactical look with a built-in magnetic ring and specific mounting points for the grip system. Beneath that, we've got our instruction manual worth a quick glance for the pairing process, and a small accessory box containing a USB-C charging cable and a soft carry pouch to keep everything scratch-free in your bag. Next, we have the LED light attachment. It's compact but surprisingly bright, perfect for filling in shadows during vlogs. And here is something you don't usually see in a grip kit, an ND filter. This is crucial for maintaining that cinematic 180-degree shutter rule when you're shooting in bright daylight. Now for the star of the show, the Master Grip. It feels incredibly solid in the hand. You've got physical shutter and zoom buttons that connect via Bluetooth, giving you that tactile DSLR feel. What's really clever here is the wireless charging integration. The grip actually acts as a power bank, so while you're filming, it's actively topping up your S26 Ultra. No more battery low warnings halfway through a shoot. Looking closer at the case rigidity, it's a tough polycarbonate blend. It's stiff enough to protect the phone from drops, but slim enough for daily use. Plus, it features a built-in kickstand, which is great for reviewing your footage or just catching a movie on that massive S26 screen. When you attach the case to the Master Grip, it locks in with a very satisfying click. It feels like one cohesive unit, one of my favorite features. You can easily rotate between portrait and landscape modes without taking the phone out. If you're switching from a cinematic YouTube shot to a vertical TikTok, it takes less than a second to finish the rig. We slide the LED light onto the cold shoe mount on top of the grip. Then, we thread the ND filter onto the lens mount of the case. Now, you've gone from a smartphone to a fully kitted out cinema camera. The TELESIN Master Grip takes the S26 Ultra's incredible sensor and gives it the ergonomics it deserves. It's modular, it charges your phone, and it fits in your jacket pocket. If you're serious about mobile filmmaking, consider this.